age, please?
Hello, I am Kushi. I am 21 years old.
Okay. So today I'm going to perform that complete cerebellar examination and coordination. Is that okay with you?
Yes, that's okay.
Okay, so we'll proceed with that. Now, in this video, I'll examine for the coordination of muscle movements that usually consist of four areas of the nervous system. First is the motor system, which helps for muscle strength, and second is the cerebellar system, which helps for normal rhythmic movements and steady posture. Next is the vestibular system, which helps in balance of the body and also eye, head, and the body movements. And the last one is the sensory system, which helps us for sense of the body.
In this video, we are going to perform some physical examination for the cerebellar system. Cerebellum is a Latin word which means little brain. It's a very important part of the hindbrain located near the brainstem. The cerebellum is mainly responsible for coordination of voluntary movements. It is also responsible for a number of functions, including motor skills such as coordination, balance, and steady posture. So we are going to examine for these functions.
Okay, for examining the coordination, we will be testing in a four different kind of test. First is the rapid alternating movements. Second is point-to-point movements. Third is gait and other body-related movements. And fourth one in standing in specified ways. So let's proceed. First, for the rapid alternating movements, I'll be examining with the two kind of tests. That is will be rapidly arm movements on the thigh. Okay, so use your right hands and rapidly tap on your thigh, turn over, and again tap on your thigh. Okay, so continue this as fast as you can. Okay, that is good. Now move out your thumb and tap on the distal interphalangeal joints with the different fingers. Okay, this is the finger tapping movements. Okay, now in the different hands. Okay, you can relax. So this test is normal. Now for the rapid alternating movements on the lower extremities. So kindly tap on my hand with the ball of your toe. Okay, as fast as you can. Relax your. Okay, with a different. Okay, so it is good. Now for the point-to-point movements, first I'll be proceed with the arm finger to nose test. So kindly use your right hand and tap on my index finger and then to your nose. Okay, continue with. Okay, that is normal. Now for now in the lower extremities for the point-to-point movements, that is called leg heel to shin test. So kindly use your right leg heel and place here shin bone. Okay, now slide downwards. Okay, continuing. Okay, that is good. Okay, now rest. Now change in that another side position. Okay, you may now rest. Okay, that is good. Now I'll examine for the gait and other related body movements. First, I will examine for the normal walking. So kindly walk here to here, slowly. Okay. Now,
While walking, observe posture, balance, swinging of the arms, and movement of the legs. Normally, balance is intact, and the arms swinging symmetrically at the sides.
okay. Now I can.
And turn and now smooth.
Now, you'll be walking with the that's called tandem walking with the heel to toe walking. So kindly follow this and walk. Right? Okay.
The walking should be in a straight line. It may reveal the ataxia.
Now kindly walk on your toes.
Walking on the toes tests for plantar flexion of the ankle. It may reveal the distal leg weakness.
Okay, rest. Now walk on your heel, both side of heel. Start from there. Okay. Now start walking.
Walking on the heels shows the dorsiflexion of the ankle.
Okay, relax. Yes, sir. Okay. Now hop in the same place with your right leg. Okay. Just release your left leg. Okay. Now hop. Once again. Okay. Okay. Now rest. Now with the opposite side. Okay. Now. Okay. Once more. Okay. Okay. So now do your shallow knee bend, and you can take my supports. Your shallow knee bend first with the left leg. Slowly. Okay. Now with the right. Okay. Now rest. Now I'll be examining the coordination with the standing in a specified ways. First I'll proceed with the Romberg test. So for the Romberg test, first please stand here. Okay. Can close your feet together. Okay. Now stand. Okay. Now close your eyes. This is also for the position sense. I'll observe for 30 seconds and watch for any abnormal movements. Okay, now you can relax. Okay, so now I'll examine for the pronator drift. So kindly raise your arm and hold it straight. Now palms up. Okay, stay, stand by. I observe for 20 seconds. Okay, now I'll tap. You try to stand by in this position. Okay. Okay, you may relax now. So this test is normal.